I'm Jonathan from Princeville Credit Advocates. I'd like to talk about mortgage stress. Recent research from the University of New South Wales showed that over 40% of households are suffering from mortgage stress. In some geographies, that number is over 70%. The researchers looked at residual disposable income. Greater than 5% remaining after all mortgage and living expenses are accounted for meant people were living within their means. Under 5% meant people were in mortgage stress, with those greater than 5% behind each week considered severely stressed. This is an alarming and progressive trend that's aligned to the increase in house prices and economic uncertainty. It's important to stay engaged with your clients when they are faced with mortgage stress. Our reputations and word-of-mouth referrals are everything in this business. When things turn around for your client, and they likely will, they'll remember you were there to help them gain the financial confidence to move forward. There are many approaches to help your clients in mortgage stress outlined in the email. Princeville Credit Advocates specialises in helping people in financial stress. We provide practical solutions to resolve debt and enable our clients to climb out of financial stress much sooner. Your clients will remember what you did for them in their time of need. Reach out to the team to see how we can help your clients suffering from financial stress on 1300 936363 or email help@princeville.com.au today.